Hello, future CS. I've got some exciting news for you. The Board of Studies is here to support you on your journey to success in the CA Intermediate May 2025 exams with something truly incredible live virtual classes. Yes, you heard that right. Starting from the 9th of September 2024, these classes are designed to guide and mentor you every step of the way. These live virtual sessions will cover all the key topics to help you prepare for your CA intermediate exams. It's like having the best faculty at your fingertips anytime, anywhere. So, now let us see the schedule and timing of these live virtual classes. The classes are held in three sessions morning, afternoon, and evening. The timing for the morning session is 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The timing for the afternoon session is 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and the timing for the evening session will be 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Below is the schedule paper 1 advanced accounting. So this will be morning session and it will be held on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. The classes are commencing from 9th September. Paper 2 corporate and other laws. This will be evening session and this will be held on Monday and Wednesday. The sessions will commence from 9 September 2024. Paper 3 Taxation Section A Income Tax Law. This will be afternoon session. The sessions will be held on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. These classes will commence from 4th of October 2024. Paper 3 Taxation Section B Goods and Service Tax. This will be afternoon session which will be held on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The session will commence from 19 September 2024. Paper 4 Cost and Management Accounting. This will be morning session held on Tuesdays and Thursday. The class will commence from 10th September 2024. Paper 5 Auditing and Ethics. This will be evening session held on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The classes will commence from 10th September 2024. Paper 6 Section 1 Financial Management. This will be evening session held on Fridays and Saturdays commencing from 13 September 2024. Paper 6 Section B Strategic Management. This will be morning session held on Saturdays and Sundays starting from 28 September 2024. Following are the features of this class. These classes can be accessed via Zoom meeting for one-on-one interaction. Interactive doubt resolution sessions. Accessible anytime, anywhere. Notes, assignment, and MCQ also will be discussed in this. This will provide you with an exam centric approach. Guidance on exam preparation. Classes by distinguished faculty, and you will also have unlimited access to the recorded lectures. You can access these classes from the ICAI BOS mobile app by downloading it from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, the BOS Knowledge Portal, or the ICAI CATube YouTube channel. And you can also join the Zoom meeting to access the live classes. The link to join these classes has been given in the description below. You can access the classes from the link in the description. So please attend these classes and make the most of these sessions. So if you are appearing for the CA Intermediate May 2025 exams, don't miss this golden opportunity. Mark your calendars for 9th September and get ready to take your preparation to the next level. If you found this video informative, like, share the video and do subscribe to my channel for more exam related tips and strategies. All the best for your exams. I will see you all in the next video.